Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, let's open up another monthly subscription from Bohemstyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not everything in the box. But do keep in mind that a lot of the stuff in the box is exclusive to the box, so if you really like most of the items in the box, I recommend you just get the box. And also, the necklace, bracelet, earrings, ring, whatever's going to be in here, the picture for it, of it completed, will be at the beginning and end of this video. So it's usually the first 7 seconds of the video you will see what the project is going to be. Okay, so let's go ahead, open this up. I myself have no idea what it's going to be. So the cord that they put on here is a jewelry grade cord. This is a wax cotton cord, and you can reuse this for jewelry. So I recommend you save that. I actually have a mason jar. Well, it's a decorative mason jar that I put with cords like that, short cords. And whenever I need a short length of cord, I go to that jar, and it's just loaded with them. Alright. So right here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial that will show you how to put together these two projects. Sometimes it's more than two, but usually it's at Christmas time they will give us like 3, sometimes 4 projects. So yeah, on there you will find the link. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, that is a gold inker, and I'm kind of thinking that it might be stainless steel. I'm kind of thinking. They do have stainless steel findings in like charm bracelets on the, it's actually Craftica website, but this box is from Craftica. That might be. I'll put the code in. That might be stainless. If so, that's really awesome. That's beautiful. I love this. I've seen a lot of people use anchors like this as a connector in like macrame. So what you do is you put a lark's head knot right here on this side, and then you do the same thing on this side. It's just that the lark's head knot will be on both sides, and then you could do whatever you want, and that is a little connector thing for a bracelet. But that is so cool. I love that. I'm definitely going to see if that is stainless. I wonder. So it's going to be ocean themed this month. We have crimp beads, and there's only 4 of them. So maybe it won't be multi-strand unless there's a chain thing involved. Beach ring wire, and that's not very long. I wonder if they're going to have some kind of a chain project. Let's see. I like to guess, in case you didn't notice, what the designs can be. And sometimes I'm right. And oh my gosh, we have another inker. That is so cute. This one's double-sided. It has a chain on it. And I usually do see the anchor stuff in silver, and this is gold. Very nice. I have gold anchor buttons, and they are just perfect for like ocean-themed, beach-themed projects. Years back, I did an ocean, like beach-themed wrap bracelet, and I used a gold anchor button. And maybe I could find a picture for that. But if you have any of those buttons, that is the thing to do with them, alright? Oh my gosh. We have shell beads, and it's a peach color. I don't think it's rosaline. It's more peachy. Rosaline is a peachy pink. But this is really peachy. It has AB on it. Those are beautiful. I have not seen it in this color yet. I've gotten this bead a lot in white and like a travertine looking color with like a patinas and stuff on it. So I've never seen it in transparent. That's really interesting. Okay, and then lots of jump rings. 5 or 6 millimeter. These are lobster claws, and then, oh my gosh, this is unusual. It's not a regular white bead. This is an 8mm Czech fire polish bead, but it has some kind of coating on it. I don't know how well you could tell. It's definitely coated. I think the bead might actually be white with like a matte pearl color on it. It's kind of unusual. It's pretty though. By the way, all of my subscription boxes decided to come in on the same day. This has never happened before, and they also came in late. So I got 4 of them today, and I've been waiting for them. It's like, what is taking so long? I actually have a project share of something I made from the yard sale stuff that I got. Remember that giant red chest? Well, I've been making jewelry with the stuff that I got in that red chest, like repurposing things, and I've been doing short videos on it. And I have a big necklace, bracelet, and earrings, a full set that I made with yard sale stuff. And then there's a tutorial that I have to do for earrings and like a keychain type thing. So we have curb chain here, and I thought there was going to be chain in here, and I thought that because they gave us very few crimp beads and we got short beaching wire, so that there is a full-length chain to make a necklace, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color of gold. It looks like real gold, like 14 karat or something. Okay, oh, go back in the bag. Okay, and also I've been trying to videotape those other 2 videos I was talking about, but I haven't had the time. Oh my gosh. These might be bigger than 8/0s, which means, what would they be, 7/0s? I know they sell funny sizes like that on this site. So if I go there and put that code in, it'll tell me. They might be 8/0s, but they look a little bigger. I'm not going to worry about opening those. They're so small, and you can pretty much see what they are through the baggie. No way! More anchors! Same one in a small size. So they have it in different sizes. I like that. Okay. They have always done like the best beach ocean themed jewelry in this box. We've had stuff with seahorses and starfish and sea turtles, shells, but not like in a tacky way, because I feel like there's a lot of shell jewelry out there that's kind of tacky. But they've done amazing things. Oh my gosh, this chain. I think I've gotten this before from them, but I want to say that it was antique brass colored. So it is curb chain, and it's like hammered or flattened like every other inch. Isn't that cool? This is also very long, so that's probably going to be another full-length necklace. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, a ship helm. That's really cool. Is the other side textured? When I was a kid, my family, we used to be into diving and snorkeling, and we went to a shipwreck, and there was a cannon in the water. It was so cool. And gosh, I must have been 10, 11, like around that age. And I was diving with my mom, because my older sister, she's 7 years older than me, and my dad, they were diving in deeper water. And my dad comes over to my mom and I, and he grabs my hand, and he pulls us over. And of course, we can't talk to each other. We have snorkels in our mouth, and he has the third lung in his mouth. And so we go over to where he's dragging us over, and we look, and there's an 8-foot shark in the hull of this ship, and it is just like going in circles in the hull. It was so crazy. He did not come out. He just was like pacing around in circles in the hull. But I will never forget that. That was insane. Okay, what's next? Oh my gosh, a turtle. Sea turtle. If I would have known this was going to be beach themed, I would have put my turtle rings on. Oh my gosh. That's really cute. He's got little... He's actually double-sided. You could see his fins and the underside of his shell there. That's cool. Okay, we haven't really had much beads yet. Is this going to be like a whole charm thing? No way, what is this? That's a bead? Is this a cabochon? It looks like a lion? This is a bead. It's a Czech glass bead, but it is so bright and gold that it actually looks like metal. I have not seen... Wait, maybe this is the gold plating that they put on to the clear beads. They call it amber coat. I don't know why they call it amber coat. They also call it, when it's on a bead and it's half plated, they call it half gold. But that is a little lion right there, a lion face, with rope going around the outside. That's really cool, and the hole is in the center of the bead. Very beautiful. Okay, and then, oh my, these are so cute. So peach again, but this one has a patina or some kind of like wash. Oh my gosh. Wait, is it peach or is it orange? Because I have to put it up to light. Oh, it's rosaline. It's rosaline pink, which maybe that is rosaline too. It just seems really peachy to me. This has a like beige patina or wash on it, and it's so well done. Look at how it's coated. The patina is in all the right places, really showing off the detail of these beads. And I've told you guys in the past, but where I live, I have this exact snail shell that crawls up on the beach. They eat like dead, decaying stuff in the sand, and they go really fast. This is a very fast little snail. It's amazing how fast they can go. And then, what do we got? Jump rings, 4mm, which I'm actually using that in my current project that I have to film. I would like to, boy, it sure would be nice to film everything I needed to film tonight. It would be 6 videos, but I don't think I could do that. It's already 10:15. We have extender chain here, I think. I'm not totally sure. Let's see. Yes, 2 of them. Alrighty. Put it back into the bag. I'm thinking that this is going to be a very classy looking design. Oh my gosh, these are nice. These are ball head pins, but I have to point out the quality of them. They look like they're thick gauged, which I am a sucker for. Oh yes. I'll just take a couple out. It's like a 20 gauge ball head pin. Beautiful, like 14, 10 karat gold color. And I will link these in the description bar in case you want to go get those. I actually only have ball head pins in my stash in antique bronze, no other color. And we have more chain, 3 different chains. Yeah, this was actually one of my favorite chains. It's like a Rolo chain or a cable chain, but it's flattened. I do prefer the one that is round, but the one that is flat, oh no it's not, it's Satellite. But do you see how the links itself, so don't look at that part there. Do you see how it's flat? Because it's flat, it looks sparkly, but I actually like the round one more. So this is a satellite chain or a station chain because like every whatever, half an inch. It's always different. Sometimes it's like an inch apart. This one's actually closer. There is a little bead, and it kind of looks like a crimp bead, but I think it's actually more like a crimp bead cover, where it's like this, because if you stare at it, if you look at it, you could see that it was open. I don't know if my camera's focusing. I feel like my camera's gotten really bad at focusing, and it's probably because it's from 2011 and it's somehow just surviving. I think my camera has lasted this long because I don't take it outside, really. If I took it outside, it probably would have died a long time ago. This one! This is the one I've gotten a lot. It's white, opaque white. I don't think there's a coating on this. This bead definitely has a coating on it. I don't know how well you could tell on camera, but that bead is naturally white, and then they put a chalk white matte color over it. This one has luster on it. A white luster over a white bead. These are pricey beads. They're very cool. Alright, I think we're going to have some like really fancy, like classy looking beach jewelry, y'all. Yes. Alrighty, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't have everything in frame, do I? No. Is my camera falling? My camera falls all the time. I don't think I adjusted it. No, I didn't. I forgot to turn this knob. Okay. So this is it. I'm going to link this box, the box, in the description bar. And I'm also going to try and link some of these things here down there below. But do keep in mind that a lot of the things in the box are exclusive to the box. But what you can actually also do, I will have the link for Craftica in the description bar. You can just go to this website right here. It's not Czech Beads exclusive anymore. They have not changed the name on this box for some reason. The website is actually called Craftica, but again, I will have it linked in the description bar. You can go to the website and put in the search what you're looking for, if there's something specific you want, like the shell beads, flower beads, whatever. But you could also do snails. That might also bring up some things, because I think I've had to do that search before. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.